Hello techies, we are in lab 6.5.14 and we're going to create CNAME record. So the sales department wants to create an intranet for all sales employees. Internet Information Services is installed in Cobweb and we will use to host the intranet site. Employees need the ability to access the web server using any of the following URLs provided. So you have already created a sales private forward lookup zone on CopDC server. In this lab, your task is to allow connections to the web server by creating the following alias CNAME records in the zone using the informations below. So alias name and all the other details provided. So when using alias record, use web.copnet.local as the fully qualified domain name. Okay, so let's start lab. So in case you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. You can always pause this video occasionally and work at your own pace. So you're going to match every move I make in this video, every step I take, so that you can be successful in this particular lab. Alright, so this window, the lab has opened up, so let's start up. I'm going to maximize this so that what I'm doing is going to become clearer to you. So we'll select CopDC. I'm going to start up CopDC. Let me maximize this again so you see what I'm doing clearly. So we'll go to Tools, click on Tools, and we select DNS and select CopDC. Let's maximize this and we'll go to sales private forward lookup zone on CopDC server. So it's going to be lookup zone, we select that, and sales private forward lookup zone. Okay, so it's going to be sales private, so I'm going to select this and right click on it and select new alias CNAME. So let's select this, and so what do we have? We have the alias and the target host. So let's see what we have here. So we have copweb.copnet.local. Okay, so we'll go back to sales private, new alias CNAME, and we type in the next one is going to be intranet, and target host is going to be copweb.copnet.local, and go to new alias CNAME, and this is going to be www. And this is going to be copweb.copnet.local. So this right here is done. We'll go ahead and check our answers. So if you find this video helpful, remember to share in other platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Comment your questions below if you have any. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.